This video will be about the fundamental counting principle. Let's say that we have to make a certain number of choices. If we want to know the total number of ways that we can make this number of choices, we can make something called a tree diagram, which displays all the possible outcomes of a choice. So, for example, let's say that we have an ice cream shop that allows you to choose your type of cone, your type of ice cream, and what topping you want. So for cones, you can either choose a sugar cone or a waffle cone. Ice cream, let's just say we have vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry. And for toppings, we can choose to have cherry, whipped cream, or Oreos. Alright, so we can use a tray diagram to represent this. We can write down the first choice, and the second choice, and then each of them branches out to display the options for the second choice, which is vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry. Again, vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry. And then each of these branches out again. And so we have cherry, cream, Oreos, cherry, cream, Oreos, cherry, cream, Oreos, and etc. for the rest of this. So that you can look at each of these branches and see the type of ice cream that you're going to have. And then, if you want to know the total number of ways you can make an ice cream, just count the number of branches back here. Another way to do this without using a tree diagram is by using the fundamental counting principle. So in our example from earlier, we had an ice cream shop that had 3 choices. The first choice was for the cone type. Remember, that was sugar and waffle. So there were 2 options for that. The second choice was for the ice cream type. Remember, there were 3 options for that. And then toppings, there were also 3 options for that. So the fundamental counting principle would say that for each choice, if you have, let's say that our first choice has A options, our second choice has B options, and our third has C options, then the total number of ways you can combine these is A times B times C. So the total number of different ice cream cones and toppings combinations that we can make is 2 times 3 times 3, or 18 different types of ice creams. So in general, whenever you have a number of choices to make, just multiply the number of options you have for each choice to find the total number of ways you can make that combination of choices.